Okay, today I'm doing a heater core on this Ford F50 2014. So to remove your dashboard, you have to remove, first of all I removed my steering wheel. It has two I guess 12 mils here and two T45 here, and then you remove all the connectors and disconnect it. Also your shifter wire, you remove this thing, and then you remove all the trims from the side, and there is a 3 bolt that hold the dashboard. On this side 10 mil, 10 mil, and there's one inside this hole. You have to be careful. If it falls into the wall you can get it again. Here it is. And then you have two 10 mils here, one 10 mil here, and then two on the other side. This one and then this one. Okay, and then you disconnect all the connectors, and that's the radio wire. There's no connector on it, so I just left it like that. There's your dashboard, and then you have to disconnect all these connectors too. There's a lot of aftermarket garbage. Disconnect that. That's your parking release, parking brake release thing. There's one screw here, you remove that. Also there's I think that's 8 mil. It also holds your dashboard. For your heater coil you have to take that box out. So there's one 10 mil here, these are two 11 mils, and you have to remove them from the outer side, from the engine bay. And then there's one 10 mil here, yeah, I guess it's 11 mil. Recover your AC system, and then remove the AC lines and the heater lines. Then you just take the whole box out. Also you will have to remove your battery box, that way you have easy access to everything. These two are for the heater core, 1 and 2, these two AC lines, and there is I guess this one is for the AC, yeah, 12 mil. Over there, this one, that's 11 mil. For the easy access, I just remove this this line from here to there, this thing. And then there's one more 11 mil. So one, second is that I showed you, and there's one more there. See the hole? So 3 11 mils, and then the AC line 12 mil holding that, and then two heater lines. Okay, so after remove, so that's your 12 mil for the AC. There's gonna be one 11 mil here, one 11 mil here from the engine bay. You have to remove these three from the engine bay, 1 2 3, and then 12 mil for the AC lines, then two heater pipes or lines, whatever. And then you can just, there's a cover and there's two screws, 1 and 2. Take that out, take it out, and then just place it. These two screws, one is there and one is this one, 1 and 2. Then you just take this plastic cover out, take that out, and then you replace the whole thing. And also, before you put everything back together, make sure you pressure test your coolant system. This is what I'm doing right now. So the max pressure is 16 psi. So it is on almost 14 to 15 psi. Sometimes those joints, they leak so badly. So before you put everything back together, make sure you test it. Alright, a little bit of flashback. I'm almost done with everything, but see, these two bolts you have to undo, and there's one on the side. I still have to put it on, and that's your 8 mil here. and then 2 on the other side that I showed you, right? Column, these are your two 13 mils. These are 13 mils, and these two are T45. Then you disconnect every connector from the column. Make sure you lock it. Your shifter cable, it's just like that. You just have to pry it, and that thing, if you want to remove this, see that little notch here on the plastic piece, it sits in the groove, so you just push on it and then slide it out. See, you push on it and then just slide it out. Here we go. And I'm done with everything. My heat is working. Make sure every switch is working. And also the most important thing is because we remove our steering wheel, and you don't want to break your coil spring which is into your steering wheel or column, right? So I want to make sure my tires are straight. So when my tires are straight, it should be on 0 angle, which is okay. Steering wheel angle is 1.5, means it's almost 0.